Good morning, students. Today I am going to start with chapter 10, measurement. Measurement of length, mass and capacity. In this chapter, we will one by one understand the different units of length, mass and capacity and conversion of smaller to bigger unit and bigger to smaller unit. As we know, the basic unit to measure length is meter, or generally you must be heard this unit of measuring length mostly, that is meter. So the basic unit of measure of length is meter. Other than meter, there are various other units are also there, like kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. We can write these units in short form as well, like kilometer as km, hectometer as hm, decameter as dam, meter as m, decimeter as dm, centimeter as cm and millimeter as small m. Okay, so we can write these in either of the form. So mostly we used to write these in small or short form. Now let us understand as that which is the biggest unit of measuring length, that is the kilometer, up to your standard. Now more bigger units are also there, smaller units are also there, that you will study in higher classes. For your class, the highest unit is kilometer, the lowest unit is millimeter. So here we will understand how to convert kilometer into hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter or millimeter, that is from bigger to the smaller units or smaller to the bigger units, like millimeter to centimeter, millimeter to decimeter, meter or kilometer or hectometer. So let us start with the conversion of units from first higher unit to a lower unit. For that, what we have to do? We have to multiply by 10. Means from kilometer to hectometer, we will multiply it with 10. Then kilometer to decameter, we will multiply with 100. From kilometer to meter, we will multiply it with 1000. Means what you can observe here, that each unit having a gap of 10, that is 10, 10, 10, there is a gap of 10. Means to convert kilometer into hectometer, we have to multiply with 10. To convert hectometer into decameter, again 10. Decameter into meter, again 10. So you have to remind this thing, that milli, centi, decimeter, deca, hecto, kilo. Once you learn this one, remember this one, then easily you can convert any bigger to smaller or smaller to bigger unit. So as there is a gap of 10 between each, means 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. 1 kilometer is equals to 10,000 decimeter. So to convert from higher to a lower unit, means from kilometer to meter, kilometer to decimeter, kilometer to decameter, we have to multiply by 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 gradually and so on. So this is a way to convert, means from higher to lower unit, you have to multiply it with 10, 100 each. Between two, there is a gap of 10. So you have to multiply with 10. Okay. Now let us study that how we can convert from lower unit to a higher unit. For that we will divide it by 10, 100, 1000 and so on. Like from 1 millimeter to centimeter, 1 millimeter is equals to 1 by 10 centimeter. 1 millimeter equals to 1 by 100 decimeter. 1 millimeter is equals to 1 by 1000 meter. Means from lower to higher unit we have to divide by 10, 100 and 1000. So 1 millimeter is equals to 1 by 1000 meter. 1 millimeter is equals to 1 by 100 decimeter. 1 millimeter equals to 1 by 10 centimeter. Now let us do some sums related to the unit of length. Like here we will convert kilometer into meter. Kilometer is a bigger unit or higher unit and meter is a lower unit. But I told to convert from bigger to the lower unit, we have to multiply. So 1 kilometer is equals to how much? 10, 100, 1000. So 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. So that you will write first that 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. So 5 kilometer is equals to, like cost of 1 pen is this, then cost of 5 pen. From less to more you have to multiply. So here we'll multiply 5 into 1000 meter, that is equals to 5000 meter. Simple and easy. So to convert from higher to the lower, we have to multiply it with 10, 100, here kilometer to meter. So 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. So 5 kilometer equals to 5 into 1000, that is 5000 meter. Another sum related to the same concept of conversion from higher to the lower unit, like meter to millimeter. As we had discussed just now, from meter to millimeter, you check in this table that how with which number we have to multiply. Meter to decimeter 10, then again 10, that is 100, then again 10, that is thousands. That means 1 meter is equals to 1000 millimeter. So we'll write here that 1 meter is equals to 1000 millimeter. Now we will write 7.5 meter is equals to 7.5 into 1000 millimeter. Don't forget to write the unit in which we are converting. Now you will multiply as you had already done in decimal chapter, the multiplication. So 7, 5, how many zeros are there? That many zeros we will write, 3 zeros. Then after decimal, how many digit is there? Only 1. So we'll count from 1's place. That is after 1 plus we will put 1 decimal. You can write it as 7500.0 or you can simply write it as 7500, that is 7500 or 7500 millimeter. Now let us do the another concept, that is conversion from lower to the higher unit. Here we have to convert meter into hectometer, as in the tabular form, from meter to hectometer, lower to the higher unit, gap of 10. So 1 meter is equals to 1 by 10 decameter and 1 meter equals to 1 by 100 hectometer. So we will write here that 1 meter is equals to 1 by 100 hectometer. So 6000 meter is equals to 6000 by 100 hectometer. Either you can divide 6000 by 100, or you can simply cancel out these zeros, 2020. So here we have 60 hectometer. Okay, so here we have divided from lower to the higher unit in the conversion of lower to the higher unit. 6000 meter is equals to 60 hectometer. Another example we will solve out here, that is centimeter into decameter. Let us see the table again. Centimeter to decameter. 1 centimeter equals to 1 by 10 decimeter, 1 by 100 meter, and 1 by 1000 decameter. So let us write here that 1 centimeter is equals to 1 by 1000 decameter. So 2579 centimeter, that is 2579 centimeter, is equals to 2579 by 1000 decameter. As you had already done the division concept in decimal chapter, so we can do it easily. That how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 zeros are there. So what we will do? We will write the number first, that is in the numerator, 2579. 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. Count from last. After 3 digit, we will place the decimal. So our answer is 2.579 decameter.